What's up, people? It's your boy Jerry Price, and I'm back with another 1 Minute Monday, giving you guys 3 more tips. Tip 1 is going to be about location scouting. So location scouting is honestly probably one of the most important things, and honestly when I'm running areas around town, when I'm off to going new places or anything like that, I always look around and be like, yo, that would be a cool place to shoot a video, or that'd be a cool place to bring a client to take a photo shoot. Those are things that you guys need to be thinking of when you're going to new places, things that you can use later on in the future. Alright guys, tip 2 is going to be about lighting equipment. So contrary to everyone's belief, you don't really need expensive lighting equipment right out the bag. It's almost impossible. They're very expensive, and when you're starting out, you don't have enough money to get them. But lights like these, I've had this light since like I would say 2016, and it was the lights that I started doing most of my music videos on. It is amazing. It cost me about like 20 bucks, I believe, on Amazon. And this is not even like a color film thing. This is actually a transparent from Walmart in a packet. These are amazing. So get these for like 2 bucks. Alright guys, so tip 3 is going to be about rental services. So say if you don't have enough money to buy new lights, say if you don't got enough money to buy a new camera and everything, but you want to get your hands on some equipment, definitely check out your local renting service as far as photography and like video equipment, because you guys have access to those in your city. Hopefully you guys do. I know I got a couple around in my area, and it honestly has been a big help when I'm shooting different shots with different equipment in different locations that I need certain equipment for. You guys definitely check those out. This has been a 1 Minute Monday. If you guys want me to expand on any of these, just drop in the comments below. Also leave a like on this video if you guys do enjoy shits like this, so I'll be doing more. So until then, it's your boy Jerry Price, and I'll see you guys later.
She's a trap, not a queen, please stay away from me.